integration with the Shipment Fedex system. A company called Zencraft worked with FedEx to create a product that integrates with the FedEx system. So, and we worked with the Zencraft people on the Shipment product to integrate it with Ascent. So, what I'm going to do here is show you how that all works. I've done a sales order pack, so I've got a sales order already entered. It's already packed, so I won't demonstrate how that works. What I'm going to do here is show you the integration. So up on the top here, we see a related list, a hover field for a related list called Fedex Shipments. So all I really need to do is to click the new Fedex Shipment. And a whole series of screens will come up, and first one will ask what I would like to do. Well, I'd like to create a shipment. I can create a return shipment, but in this case, I'm going to create a shipment. And where is it being shipped from? It's being shipped from me. And this is the sales order number, so it pulls the sales order information directly from the, obviously from the sales order you're working on. It'll also pull in the contact information. So in this case, Acme is the customer, but I've made Leanne Tomlin my contact. And since Leanne is a fictitious person, doesn't have an email address, we're going to use my email address as the confirming one. Phone number, address, zip, all that good stuff. I could put special shipment notes on this, so shipment notes for the FedEx package. So that will get me my initial information necessary to do the shipment. Then I'll click the button here for screen number 2. It'll then bring me to another screen where I can continue to enter the information. And in this case, it'll give me my ship date. It'll ask me what type of service do I want, and you can see the whole array of Fedex services. First overnight, priority overnight, standard overnight. I'm going to pick FedEx Ground. So it's validating that. What package am I going to use? Your package? None? Well, I'm going to add my packaging type so that it'll take the package that I've already created, one of my creations. That's something you could do too. Create a series of box sizes that you use. So I've just added that to this list. So I have one package, and I say that's default to 25 pounds a package. That's the length, width, and height, and I would put in my declared value. You know, whatever my declared value of the package might be, $50. I can at that point go out and ask FedEx what my rate would be, what my estimated rate would be, and it'll give me other information, such as in this case, FedEx home delivery Saturday service is not available to this zip code, premium service is not available to this destination, and it'll give me the various other types of services so that I could compare. In this case, it's $15.28 for what I want to do. If I wanted to do it on an overnight, well, for a $50 declared package, I don't think I'd want to have a $193 charge. So I'll continue with the one, FedEx Ground, that I've selected. And I can skip screens 3 and 4, go to my last screen, screen number 5, which then allows me to add additional email recipients if I want to add them. If not, just leave it alone. What image type will it be? Will it be a PDF? Will it be going to a thermal printer? Any of these types? I'm just going to create a PDF here since I don't have a thermal printer sitting next to me. Here's who it's coming from. Here's who it's going to. That's the details. Here's the package information. Here's who it's billing, the sender. Am I all ready to send it? Yes, I am. Let me ship now. When I click Ship Now, what it'll then do is go out and create and get the master tracker number. So this is my tracking number from FedEx assigned to that sales order. Here are the charges. It's going to apply that to the sales order and the subsequent invoice. Here's the service type. Everything here looks fine. Here's my recipient. Here's the shipment package, special services. This is all for those of you who are familiar with FedEx. This is very familiar, should be very familiar to you. And normally, I would be able to just print a thermal label, but I don't have a thermal printer sitting next to me, so it creates a PDF for me. So let me at least print the PDF or display it on the screen so you can see what that looks like. This is what the label would look like if we were actually printing the label. Right? It's got the weight, who's it coming from, where's it going to, and here's the barcode. So this works very nicely. Now, if I go back to the sales order itself, sales order 425, I can then see that it's written the tracker code, the mode of delivery, and the shipping cost. Now I can generate an invoice. And when I do that, you'll see that the invoice will be inclusive of the shipping amount that I've just generated. So let's give it a second to fill out the screen. And let's make it a little bigger. And there we go. So it's shipped my wild blueberries, $15 worth. Here's my shipping, $15.28. And there's the total amount. So therein lies the Shipment integration with FedEx and with Ascent.